I welcome all my people where they watch me. This matter they come from one lady. She they ask for help from people. Say as e be the Ohen of Ergbiri. This one they happen inside Edo State. Say the man won't claim her land. And say as e be, she don't try every means to reach out to this man. Say, this land where they follow me fight oh. No be you get her. This one on my last investment. In fact, now alone now you stay buy this land. So make this man leave this land for how. Now wait till make this woman now come outside, come they cry with my people beg. Make her follow me watch.
And I'm move on the way fish pond. Or where fish pond baba. On a the way buaho. On a the way bet too flat yo. On a river ani coke hen. Already done ya since 2015 I bowa a jolly mieba fe mieba.
Wahala deo. On I see all this kind of land matter. Me I know they like put my mouth. Because last it always end inside death. Now there go here say Baba don't go do this one don't die because of land matter. But this woman now they claim say she na her money, say na her loan money. She even gather you stay buy this thing. And say why now this man, because say this man get power, this man now won't come they use style, come they claim this land. But now there we say go do our research, we go ask the Ohen. This man said they claim say him and this woman, in fact, they don't even get anything together. Say because this land now him get am. And person who even buy this land now his son. Say now some fake people now go sell this land to this person. So she no even conceive where this woman now come they carry the matter say hey, now she get the land. My people beg, make her follow me see.
Actually, the woman did not buy land from me. You understand?
Yeah.
The land the son bought from me, the land is still there in my community.
Okay.
You understand? This very one they are saying that is my land. That is my land. Somebody else went to go and sold my land to them. You understand? And the same person that sold that land to them is the one that destroyed whatever they have there.
So I don't even know who I won't even believe again. The woman they talk another one. The man self they talk another one. Because the man they claim say person who sell this land for you now fake. And since you even claim say you acquire this thing by loan, what if person where they pay the money to? What if the person has scammer? Or the company where you claim say they pay the loan to, maybe now they don't scam you. Mommy, I think say you supposed reason and rich like this. So if you don't feel reason like that, the best thing carry this matter go court. May they help and solve them because right now the whole help, the whole cry where they come as a country, I'm not sure anybody go feel help you. Because if like say this matter now between on our community, and I sure so on know on herself where. So making a go meeting our chief head, a be leader, make the help and sort to this one because this one no be about public matter. Now matter will be so not supposed sit down together, discuss and work before now go judge them. Anyways, my people, now this matter now here as make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Some people inside Imo State don't come outside. They accuse our military people. Say these people enter their town, come destroy and damage everything where they get. In fact, they don't destroy their homes. See, as it be, these people not even pitying them to just enter, burn everything. And based on information what I get, I hear say these people, I hear say the town people, they kill one army. In the first sense, when we say now army now first kill their own person. Now them they come retaliate only for this army to come vex. Come back now say they won't come destroy the whole town. My people beg, make now follow me see.
The little children, they kill the army because army killed their brother. They're now annoyed to kill the army man. So now army come back to come and burn our house. They damage a lot of things and carry some things, some properties away.
Now, soldiers say don't kill one person from Izombe. Everybody they run. Everybody they run. Carry no cloth, no anything. My both my engines there from my office. They really burn it.
I can see smoke everywhere. As I enter, our cloth don't burn finish. Nothing there inside. Even my phone, office, everything. You know, say again, aside there, nice hair. And there on.
Army people, how many times I go talk? Make now stop to they put laws inside in our own hand. For me, plus the people waiting inside this town, plus the military people, all of them they at fault. The army first kill on our own person, I beg who wanna go report to? Who wanna go tell us, okay, army enter our land, we can't keep us and not talk anything. On our own decide say on our own carry in our own jungle justice, carry the judges, everything put for on our own head. So on our go keep person and not even can't kill one. K3 army burn down their car. I beg and no say this one go provoke them. In which one no say army people they know they hear what. If now right say they hear now only left hand and this one's they hear. See as now they don't cause damages inside our own town. destroy almost all the whole property. In fact, person house, you will be saying you don't know, they go damage everything. But I beg, I need to plead with our army. If civilians no get sense, what about military people? Why be so know they use na sense? Una no say this one wanna do, e dey very in fact, unprofessional. Una suppose go there, at least people wey attack una, and na go arrest them. Put them inside jail, una no reason that one. Na come decide say because na the vex, make na burn down people things, kill people. I beg, na so they teach una. Small thing wey be say na go fit tackle, say as na don destroy everything. Anyway, this one, I just hope say government go help na, get na with things wey na need to go build na community back up. Because this one, I don't know who na one beg to help na build this one. Because now na cause na own problem, but na own self. Anyways, my people, now here I go end up on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story.